We're going to show you today what we're going to do with this pickup, and it's right here in this bag. This is a battery blanket that is designed for most every vehicle today. There's not a lot of talk about that, but what these blankets are for is to help keep the battery cool when the engine's running down the road. There's hardly an electric fan running, and the underhood heat temperatures can get very high, and that's the purpose for these blankets. So you can see this blanket, what's left of it is just totally destroyed, whether that was done by a pressure washer or it just came completely apart. But this is a really clean truck and it should have that on there. This is your battery monitor here. This is hooked to the negative cable. These wires go to the computer and it lets the computer know the condition of this battery, how hot it is, for example, and that it needs to back off on the charge a little bit because this battery is getting too hot. And it can get too hot from the underhood heat temperatures. That's another purpose for this blanket. We're hooking up our data save here. We're going to pick up power in this power port here, which has power all the time. And now we can unhook our battery and save the data in the vehicle. We'll be careful not to let these terminals touch anything. Get them back out of the way here and get our battery out of there. The battery's out of the car. We still have power here. That means our data save is working to maintain the memory of the vehicle. You can see what's left of this blanket. Terrible. We'll get this debris out of the battery box. This is all installed. Again, it's critical for these blankets to be in place because they help control the temperature of the battery and they keep the corrosion down on the battery terminals. This is a calcium-based battery, which is what these vehicles need, and it will protect this battery from getting too hot from the underhood heat temperatures. Let's go unhook our memory save for the computer, and this will be all set to go. Everything seems to be working fine. Maintain the memory of the clock and the stereo system and the data in the computer of the truck.